In the serene setting of an ancient forest, the Buddha sat beneath a Bodhi tree, deep in contemplation. His teachings had enlightened countless souls, yet he knew there was more to unveil. One day, a curious disciple named Ananda approached him, seeking guidance on achieving success and abundance in life. The Buddha, with eyes full of wisdom, began to share a story. Long ago, in a bustling village, there lived a poor farmer named Sujin. Despite his relentless toil, Sujin's crops often failed, and he lived in poverty. Ananda listened intently, eager to grasp the Buddha's message. One evening, continued the Buddha, Sujin approached me, seeking guidance. He believed in my teachings and yearned for success. I asked him a simple question: what seeds are you sowing in the garden of your mind? Ananda pondered the question, realizing the profundity of the inquiry. Sujin was perplexed. The Buddha continued, but he understood that just as a farmer must sow fertile seeds for a bountiful harvest, he must plant positive thoughts and beliefs in the fertile soil of his subconscious mind. The Buddha explained how our subconscious mind, like fertile soil, accepts and nurtures the seeds of our thoughts and beliefs. If we plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, we reap a harvest of scarcity and limitation. But if we sow seeds of confidence, abundance, and positivity, we reap a bountiful harvest of success. Ananda, enlightened by the story, asked, "But how can we plant these seeds in our subconscious mind?" The Buddha smiled and replied, "Through meditation, mindfulness, and self-awareness, we can till the soil of our subconscious mind. By replacing self-doubt with self-belief and negativity with positivity, we can shape our destiny." Ananda left with a newfound understanding. He realized that success was not solely determined by external factors but by the seeds he sowed within his own mind. And so, through the Buddha's wisdom, Ananda learned that the key to success lay not only in external actions but in the fertile garden of the subconscious mind. By nurturing positive beliefs and thoughts within, one could manifest abundance and achieve success beyond measure. The story of Sujin and the Buddha's teachings became a timeless reminder that success begins within, in the depths of our own subconscious mind, where the seeds of our thoughts and beliefs shape the harvest of our lives. The subconscious mind is a silent, potent force that shapes our thoughts, behaviors, and reality. By becoming aware of its influence and actively engaging with it through techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and positive affirmations, we can harness its power for personal growth, goal achievement, and emotional healing. Understanding and nurturing this hidden aspect of our mind can lead to a more conscious and empowered life.